Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by powering off and unplugging the BlackShark V2 so you avoid shorts and damage. Once done, remove the ear cup pads and detachable cable. This exposes screws and foam. Use a small Phillips to remove visible screws and keep them in a labeled container so you don't lose orientation. Work on a clean, flat surface and limit breathing over parts to prevent moisture. These initial steps let you access grills, drivers, and internal foam safely without rushing. Now address the delicate middle steps. Carefully wipe outer plastics and metal with a microfiber slightly dampened with 70% isopropyl to remove oils without soaking. For grills and driver areas, use a soft brush and dry cotton swabs to dislodge dust. Do not insert liquids into openings. If pads are removable, wash cloth covers by hand and let them air dry fully. Replace inner foam only if it's compressed or smells. These techniques protect sound quality and materials. Finish by reassembling in reverse order. Reinstall foam and ear pads, then screw panels back snugly, not over-tightened, and reconnect the cable. Once assembled, test audio and microphone at a moderate volume, listening for balance and rattles that indicate a loose part. If you hear issues or the mic is muted, power cycle the PC, reseat internal and external connectors, and try a known good cable to isolate faults. This final verification keeps the headset performing like new.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.